Welcome to the MailValet training videos. This video is a supplement to the video on composing emails and email form functions. In this video, we would like to display one last method of sending a file from one application into MailValet when you are trying to compose a new email and you would like to add an attachment. We showed several methods of doing that previously, and this time we'd like to show importing a file from another external application. Let's suppose in our scenario here that you have downloaded and used the free version of MailValet, and that now you're ready to upgrade to the full version. You've installed the full version and you've started getting ready to work on an email. However, in the free version, you had some images in an email that came into you that you would like to use in a new email in the paid version. So what we're going to do is start the paid version up, start a new email, fill in some of the details, and then we will come back to the free version, get up the email that we were talking about and look at the attachment, and then use the open-end function in that attachment to send it to the full version of MailValet as an attachment. The free version that we're talking about here could be any other application as well. It could be any application running on your iPad that has files that can be exported out to another application. So right now we're running the free version of MailValet. I'm going to go to my drafts folder and bring up the email that I was working on. And what I want to do is take this image file and export it out of here into the full version of MailValet on an email that I'm going to be working on there. So let's take this a step at a time. The first thing I'd like to do is start the full version of MailValet. And to do that, I'm going to press my home key to put the free version in the background, and I'm going to start the full version. And let's assume it's already set up with accounts properly. It won't look like it is because well, actually it does. It looks like we're all set up to go. So what I would like to do now is start a new email. And I'll go ahead and give it an address just for the sake of the example. We'll go to subject and I'll put in a subject. In this case, I'm going to just give one sample of using the on-screen keyboard. Let's go back to hardware for a minute and go back to using the on-screen keyboard. And I'm going to go ahead just for the sake of the example and put in a subject. And now what I'd like to do is take that attachment file that was in my free version of the app and make that an attachment file here that I'm going to send out to Francis Myers. So I will put this full version in the back in the background, and I will bring back up the free version that has the attachment we want to move over to the full version. All I have to do is, looking at the email that we had saved in drafts and now viewing it, do a long press on the icon for the image and select Open Image in another application. And again, this open-end function can be either from the free version of MailValet, or it could be any other application that can use the open-end function to export a file into the full version of MailValet. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And you notice that I now have a selection to go to the full version of MailValet and open the file there. So I'll select that. And that will come back over to the MailValet full version. You'll see the email that we were working on before to Francis Myers with the subject. And now the image file has been moved externally from the other app into this app as an attachment. I can take a look at it with the image viewer here. Cancel that. I can finish putting the text in my email. And then I can use my usual functions to send it, to save it, or do whatever else I need to do with it. So that concludes this short supplemental training video for composing emails where we want to be able to send attachment files from other applications into MailValet.